welcome to another edition of Home Improvement Moment. I'm here with Kevin McDaniel and David Van Heist, and they're from the northern Indiana, southwestern Michigan area, and we're here to learn about how to install a newel post today.
Now, one of the most important steps in putting up a handrail is how you start. As you see here, we have our center line marked on this tape everywhere, all the way down these steps. So we know exactly where our newel is going, where we have to cut into the step. We know exactly where that is. We know it level down exactly where our handrail is going. And this line is the centers of our spindles. In this case, we'll be using iron. Our next step is actually cut the tread out right here where the newel goes in. We need to cut this out so we can use the proper attachment down here, which you'll see in the next section. One of the most important pieces of knowledge you need to know about your stairs is exactly what angle you're dealing with. How I like to do it, if you run a straight edge down the bulldozers until you hit the bottom flat, you can run a normal speed square right in there. Just, you see how I've got it here. What it reads right here is the true angle of your stairs. That's an important number for you to know.
A little bit of this. Alright, now they're measuring the newel post to determine how much will need to be taken off the bottom to set the handrail at the appropriate height.
We're setting the newel post at this point in place to mark where we need to notch it down to fit this to come down on the floor so we can get ready to set our sure-tight bolt system.
Now it's important to have a good chop saw, one that can do this in one cut. You can go all the way through the thickness of the board in one cut. Right? That's really important.
The rest of the table saw out.
Why don't you hold up that piece so they can see what it looks like at the end of it?
It's important to do this with a new sharp bit. Prepare this for the sure-tight fastener, which you'll find in your hardware section of this very website. It's simple. Follow the instructions in the back. You prep where it's going into for the right bolt part. And the newel post here, you prep. You put the 1.5-inch hole here, and you can't forget the bottom hole. All done with sharp new bits. It's very important when you're dealing with this hard oak. Okay. Don't be afraid of your angle.
Yeah. a little bit.
Now we've installed the sure-type fastener into the main structure here. Now, before everything starts, you have to make sure you have something solid down there for this to screw into. If you recall how long the lag into that was. Instructions on the back of this are very important. It tells you how far down to go and how to tighten it in and to make sure this is level both ways going up. Now I like to use a square to check. Now we're ready to install the newel post. You'll find a special washer with a half round on the bottom. Put that in on first. If you have your bolt at the right depth, that'll fit real nice on there. And then you put your nut on. Sometimes it's a little bit tricky, with patience and forget it. You got it? I'm sorry, I thought it was circular center on it, so I'm
And
better.
yeah, and I worked wrong too, drilling up, and I should have been a little more in front of it. We can modify this. Get the back off here so we get more turn on that. Now that we have the sure-tight newel post casting system tightened down, you can see that the installation is very sturdy. And then to complete the project, you just insert the plug that comes with the kit. Sand this flush with the post and the system's all done.